Imagine a truck so honest, so unapologetically American that it doesn't need touchscreens or gimmicks to earn respect. This 1987 GMC R1500 was built with steel, torque, and attitude, and once you hear its story, you'll understand why real truck lovers still choose this over anything new today. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love classic American iron, timeless design, and trucks that were built to work hard and look good doing it, you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button right now and ride with us all the way through this story, because today we're diving deep into a machine that represents the heart of late 80s American muscle and blue-collar pride, the 1987 GMC R1500 pickup, a truck that didn't just show up to the job, it defined what a real truck was supposed to be. Picture the year 1987. America was loud, bold, confident. Gas was cheaper, highways were wider, and trucks weren't fashion accessories. They were tools, statements, and extensions of their owners. The GMC R1500 arrived in this era with squared off shoulders, a wide, confident stance, and a presence that felt honest. No gimmicks, no unnecessary curves, just steel, power, and purpose. This was the generation when trucks still felt mechanical, when you could hear them breathe, feel them shift, and sense the road through the steering wheel. Walk around the exterior and you immediately understand why this design has aged so well. The boxy silhouette is pure 1980s Americana, sharp lines meeting broad panels, creating a shape that looks just as good parked at a worksite as it does cruising down Main Street. The front end is unapologetically bold, with that classic GMC grille that announces itself without shouting. Rectangular headlights frame the face with a utilitarian confidence, while the hood stretches out flat and wide, reminding you that there's real hardware underneath. This truck doesn't try to impress with flash, it impresses with substance. The steel body panels feel solid, the proportions are perfectly balanced, and the bed is ready for whatever you throw at it. Tools, lumber, motorcycles, memories. The R1500 was built at a time when trucks were expected to earn their keep, and you can see that philosophy baked into every inch of sheet metal. Slide into the cab and you're transported to a simpler, more intentional era. The interior is straightforward, durable, and comfortable in a way that modern trucks sometimes forget. This is a place designed for long drives, early mornings, and late nights. The bench seat welcomes you in, the dashboard lays everything out clearly, and the controls are exactly where you expect them to be. There's no learning curve here, just muscle memory and instinct. The steering wheel feels right in your hands, large and confident, giving you that unmistakable sense of command over the road. The gauges are clean and readable, telling you what you need to know without distractions. This is an interior that respects your time and attention, allowing you to focus on the drive, the job, or the journey ahead. Turn the key and the truck comes alive with a sound that modern vehicles simply can't replicate. There's a depth to it, a mechanical honesty that reminds you this machine is powered by metal fuel and combustion, not software. The engine note settles into a confident idle, ready to work, ready to roll. This is the sound of reliability, the sound of decades of proven engineering doing exactly what it was designed to do. On the road, the 1987 GMC R1500 delivers a driving experience that feels connected and purposeful. You feel the weight of the truck, the feedback from the pavement, the subtle movements of the suspension as it absorbs imperfections. This isn't a truck that isolates you from the road, it introduces you to it. Every mile feels earned, every drive feels real, acceleration is smooth and confident, built for torque and usability rather than speed records. Whether you're merging onto the highway, pulling a trailer, or cruising through town, the R1500 responds with a calm, capable demeanor. It doesn't rush, it doesn't hesitate, it simply does what you ask mile after mile. And that's where the true luxury of this truck comes in. Not luxury in the modern sense of screens and sensors, but luxury in reliability, durability, and trust. The kind of luxury where you know the truck will start every morning, handle every task, and get you home at the end of the day. The kind of luxury that doesn't need updates or subscriptions, just fuel and respect. The 1987 model year holds a special place in GMC history. It represents a mature evolution of a platform that had already proven itself, refined without losing its soul. By this point, GMC had perfected the balance between comfort and capability, offering a truck that could be a daily driver, a workhorse, and a weekend cruiser all in one. That versatility is exactly why these trucks are still loved, restored, and driven today. There's also something deeply personal about owning a truck like this. For many people, an R1500 was their first vehicle, their first work truck, or the truck their family relied on for years. It hauled kids to school, supplies to job sites, and dreams across state lines. Every scratch, every dent, every worn spot on the seat tells a story. And when you restore or preserve one today, you're not just owning a truck, you're preserving a piece of American history. In today's world of oversized grills and digital dashboards, the 1987 GMC R1500 stands apart as a reminder of what trucks used to be: honest, capable, built with intention. It doesn't need to prove itself because it already has millions of times over across decades of service. This truck represents freedom, the freedom to go where you want, carry what you need, and live life on your own terms. It represents craftsmanship from an era when things were designed to last, not to be replaced. And it represents a connection between driver and machine that's becoming increasingly rare. Whether you're a collector looking for a classic, a builder planning a estimate, or someone who simply appreciates authentic American vehicles, the 1987 GMC R1500 pickup delivers an experience that's hard to match. It's not about trends, it's about timelessness. It's about respect for engineering, design, and purpose. So as you watch this truck roll by, shining under the sun or resting quietly in a garage, remember what it stands for. A time when trucks were trucks, when reliability mattered more than marketing, when driving felt personal, and when a vehicle could become part of your story. If this truck speaks to you, if it brings back memories or sparks new dreams, let me know in the comments. And once again, what's up everyone? Subscribe to my channel for more deep dive, ultra luxury cinematic stories on classic cars and trucks that truly matter. We've got more legends coming, and you won't want to miss what's next.